Hello everyone, you are watching Indian Stock Tuber, and today I am here with another video in which I am going to start a new series called Top Stocks. In this video series, I'll be telling you about some of the stocks which can give you a good return in short term as well as in long term. So before starting up this series, there is a quick disclaimer that all the stocks recommended in this series are for educational purpose only, and please do your own research before investing in any of the stocks. So let's just dive into the video. All right, welcome back everyone. So in this series, our first stock is none other than Larsen and Turbo. Yes, L&T. The company works under engineering and construction sector. The company has a market cap of 128,000 crores, right, which is a huge market cap. The company is trading at the PE multiple of 24, and the dividend yield of the company is 1.96, which is great in my perspective. The company has a book value of rupees 372. So this was a quick overview of the company. So now let's have a quick look at the financials of the company. The company has reported 281 crores of net profit after tax in this quarter, or you can say in the first quarter of the 2020. Even after this lockdown situation, the company has performed really well and stayed in profit. I know there is a huge drop in the profit from the last quarter, but it is all due to the COVID situation and the lockdown condition. So this shows that even after this lockdown conditions, the company is still in the profit, and it shows its strength, then how strength the company does possess. So now let's have a quick look at the company's financial ratios. So let's look at the return on equity. Return on equity is 12.80, and which has declined from 14.96 in the last year, but still it is about 10, so I consider it as good. So now let's have a look at the return of capital employed. So it is 14.33, and which has also declined from 17.21 from last year, which is still about 10, so I consider it as good. If you look at the return on asset are 4.71, which has also been declined from 6, but I consider this a bit doubtful because it is not above 10. And if you look at the company's debt to equity ratio, it is 0.5, right? You can see the company has a huge debt, but in this kind of company, it is acceptable due to the really asset heavy business. So this kind of company does require huge assets, as it is an engineering construction company. So we can consider this as okay. So now let's have a quick look at the current ratio. The current ratio of the company shows how much the company possesses liquidity. So in this case, the current ratio is 1.18, but I consider it good if it is about 1.5 or 2. So in this case, we can say that current ratio of the company is okay. So now let's have a quick look at the company's price chart. The company has given 2.16% of return in this month only. If we look at the yearly chart of the company, so the company has given minus 32.44% returns, and the company's stock worth is about 1500 before this COVID-19 has happened. So after this COVID-19 has happened, the company's business is not in so much of flow, but once business will start occurring at its own pace, you can see a handsome amount of return from this company. So now let's see what should be our buying price of this stock. So if we look at the money flow index, it has already been going to 20 around. So we can say the stock is about to bottom out, and MACD is also showing a quick sell signal right now. And if you are wondering on this which website I am seeing all these chart, it is none other than Zerodha. So if you are considering to open a new account, links are right there in description. And let's see that I have drawn this support line here, right? It is about 900 levels. So if the stock has already consolidated for a while here as well, and it was acting as a resistance about here of the 900 rupees price. So if you wish to consider this stock for buying, you can consider the price of rupees 900. So now let's have a quick look at the NSE's website. That is, today the stock has delivery percent of 44.08, which is a quite good. Whatever the percentage about 25 is quite considered as good. So this was a short video about Larsen and Turbo. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and as well as that bell button. So every time you get notified whenever I post a new video. So if you have any question left yet, you can comment below. I will consider them to answering. That's all for this video. Bye bye for now.